close your eyes. Would you dream for me some paradise?
Hey guys, it's Jerica. Welcome back to my channel. And today guys, I will show you how I do my eyebrows. So mga 1 week kong pinatubo yung aking kilay so that I can show you guys kung paano ko siya ginagawa. And wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's get right into the video. First things first, ito ang mga ginagamit ko para sa aking kilay. Kapag gusto ko ng kilay na on flick, isang spoolie, isang angle brush, and isang concealer brush. And yung ginagamit ko guys na pang shade sa kilay ko is ito. Ito guys ay ang Dur ko. Of course, kahit anong klaseng concealer. This concealer is from Avon True Color Flawless Concealer Stick. So, ayan siya. And of course, isa pang ginagamit ko para sa aking kilay is this one. This is the Nichido Eyebrow Liner Dual Kit. So, tingnan nyo mabuti guys at huwag nyo akong pumuskan. Okay, so actually, this one here is in the shade Coffee. Ito yung laging ginagamit ko na shade. Ito sa kabila, meron tong shade na black dito. Pero nung nalaglag ko siya, yun. Hindi ko na naisalba.
So, ayan muna ang kilay ko guys. So, ngayon kukunin ko na yung aking Nichido Eyebrow Liner Duo. And by the way guys, binasa ko ng konti yung powder para mas makapit siya dun sa ating kilay. You know, because kilay is life. And that is the final look guys ng aking kilay. If you enjoy watching this guys, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Comment ka na rin ng kahit ano. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!
Paradise.